REKR Stock Analysis and Price Predictions. Is it a buy? Watch this short 1 minute video till the end, find out. So Rekor Systems is sitting at 27% up for Friday and is like $1.30. That was a crazy good performance, but does it actually reflect back to the proper trend on REKR? Not necessarily. Before I get dug in this deeper, I mean, I've done 33,000 videos over the last 4 years and spent thousands of dollars on course cementships. The reason why this is not specifically like a bullish chart in market for me is purely because, yeah, maybe because it's gone up 27% and whatnot, but I mean, I've seen this happen thousands of times and just one break doesn't cut the chase. I mean, for me, if it starts to go up, then cool. But if I see a proper double break beneath these lows, then I'm taking a short. So instead of assuming, I'm just going to react to what's going to be happening next. So if you want to make more money trading in a simple and easy way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.